Alright, so it's a rainy day, but we're here at the park because we got our hands on this little guy. And we want to try him out on the slide because we don't have a Hot Wheels track yet. So we're hoping we can put it at the top of the slide, have it go down. We'll catch some footage with that. And then if there's any enclosed slides, I'll flip it and see if I can do some like cool little loop-de-loop tricks and things like that. So hopefully this can handle the water and doesn't, you know, rust or anything. But the GoPros themselves are fine, so I'm not worried about that. So this is being recorded with the 5 session, and this is the Hero 2018 because the mic works better and I can't use the Rode microphone out in the rain, and we have it mounted on a tripod. So there's the baby slide, there's this Twisty slide that's got 3, and then there's an enclosed slide over there. So I think to start, we're going to test this out on the little slide first and work our way over to there. All right, ready? Early, but okay, whatever. Ready? Early, but okay, whatever.
Even if it's not a baby one, it's too fast. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Go. That's pretty cool, but I definitely think it's time we go on the bigger slide because that is a little bit short, but at least we got to see that it rolled and no damage happened and it's still filming and recording. So let's go. All right, so each kid is going to get their own slide to go through. So who's picking which slide? Come on, pick a slide, pick a slide.
I'm doing the one farthest to us.
3, 2, 1, go. Go. Okay, well, that one wasn't successful. It spit the GoPro right out of it. So that wasn't too good of a round. We'll see what happens once we try the middle. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Under the GoPro.
Kind of.
Yeah, but it didn't
I'm starting to
make it
think that
move.
maybe doing the slides isn't such a good idea, because I guess it's too open, so it's giving it way too much room to, you know, do whatever. So this might not actually work. This might be stupid and psychotic to actually attempt the third slide, because I think we know exactly what's going to happen already, but we're going to do it anyway. 3, 2, 1, go.
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 Okay, that time it actually landed and didn't pop out. So now we got this covered one, which I didn't know this one was here. I knew that one, I didn't see this one up here. So we're gonna try this one next.
Can I do it? Go. 3, 2, 1.
That was pretty cool. Now here's what I really want to try. A little loop-de-loop. Okay, so that didn't exactly work too well. So our last attempt is going to be that one. As of right now, I really don't see this going too well. So I think my total review is going to have to be that the GoPro car with the session in it is not intended for going down slides. Go. And we lost. And we lost the GoPro again. All right, so that's the second time the GoPro has launched from the vehicle. So guys, that's gonna wrap it up for that final ruling. GoPro cars with the GoPro Session 5 inside of them are not intended for slides. So don't try that at home or at a park, because it didn't work. Next up is going to be trying an actual Hot Wheels track, and we'll see how it works from there. The only problem is I already know that'll break it. I already know that we can't put these on all Hot Wheel tracks because the pieces that have the tunnels with a little motor that shoots it out, it ends up being too tall and it doesn't fit, so we can't do that. So anyway, once we get a regular track up, we'll see how things go, and we'll catch you next time.